Hello and welcome. I'm Jason Albert, and today we're finally giving our eyes the care and respect they deserve. Our eyes are the looking glass into the world, and it's a shame how we treat them. Whether it's exposing them to all sorts of nasty things on the internet, overworking them by blinking 28,000 times a day, or even worse, burning them by staring at the sun, we treat our eyes like nothing more than common horrors. And that's why I'm going to show you how to do something nice for your eyes. That's right, today we're going to learn how to put on an eyeshadow.
Yeah, Jason Albert TV with Jason Albert.
I remember my first time, the lighting was all wrong. It was too dark in some places and too light in others. One time, it was so bad that I couldn't even see because the eyeshadow was in the wrong place. But I practiced, and as time went on, I got better. All of those days perfecting my technique in the mirror had finally paid off. And now I can confidently say that no matter what the situation, whether I'm driving west during rush hour in the fall, at a baseball game on a Saturday afternoon, or eating at a table with no umbrella on my favorite restaurant's outdoor patio, I know that my eyeshadow game is on point. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is just another one of those dumb makeup tutorials where some pretty face puts on a bunch of makeup and ends up looking even better than they did before. And then you're just sitting there wishing you had the same exact makeup so you could get the same results. And then you look in the description and see that all the makeup that was used in the video is listed and the links to where to find the makeup are also provided. So you order each piece of makeup and stare out your window just waiting for the FedEx guy to deliver your package, which comes the very next day because you put a rush on delivery because you know that true beauty can't wait. And once it arrives, you grab the package and run into your room and rip open the box, exploding with the same kind of excitement you had as a kid on Christmas morning. Then you set up your station with your mirror and your makeup perfectly laid out. You play that same tutorial again and mimic every move, every brushstroke, every pose, and at the end you stare at yourself in the mirror and realize you're still ugly. Well, this is not that type of tutorial. In fact, you're going to see exactly what type of eyeshadow tutorial this is coming up, right after I dance in a way that doesn't go with the music at all. Welcome back. As you can see, I'm holding a flashlight above my head and the light is beaming me directly in the face, making it extremely difficult to see. Now, I want you to pretend that the flashlight is the sun and the light beaming me in the face is the sun's harmful rays. It's time now to demonstrate how to put on an eyeshadow. The first thing you want to do is get an object, one that is preferably opaque, and that just means something that won't let light pass through. Now, I'm going to use my iPhone. So what you want to do is take your iPhone and put it between the source of the light and your face, being sure to cast a shadow over your eyes. And that is an eyeshadow. Thank you so much for watching. See you later, crocodile.
Please like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share.